Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have the most recent bundle that we are going to auction off in our penny start 100% to HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, charity auction. We have a Lucky Strike ashtray, very heavy. Not sure if it's ceramic that is glazed, what exactly the material is. It's hard to tell if you can pick that up in the video, but it is marked there, France. So really nice ashtray. May show some minor wear, scuffs, blemishes, that sort of thing, but overall in really good condition. Really nice ashtray. We have a hat or lapel pin for Camel cigarettes. It says Roadhouse Tour. This is made in Thailand, I believe. Actually made in Taiwan. So, a Camel hat or lapel pin made in Taiwan. A Lucky Strike heavy duty ashtray made in France. It's four-sided. It has the Lucky Strike logo on each side between the rests. Can see some damage, scratches here to the surface. That's what I'm talking about when I say it may have some minor blemishes. And then, of course, to round out the auction will be a 2005, H of 2005, so that's going to be somewhere late in the year there. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So August of 2005 is when this lighter was made. The hinge has just a slight wobble. It's very clean. I don't know that the hinge wobble is from wear, as I've had many newer Zippos in recent years that have had a slight wobble in the hinge. Overall, really nice. The wick looks like it has either been replaced or tugged up and snipped off. We will go ahead and fuel this while we are making the video so that you can see how the lighter works. Should have looked at the markings on the insert before I filled it with fuel. You can see it says lighter does not self-extinguish, close lid to put it out. Seems like common sense, but I guess some people have to be told. The insert is marked K of 05. Now I'm wondering whether my counting was off on the case. So H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So that's 8. And then we would have I, J, K, and L. Okay, so the K, there you go. The K on the insert would be November. And you can see too that this insert, despite what the commenter on one of our recent videos wanted to say, all of these inserts from this period say made in Zippo, USA. All the Zippos from that era as well as from other eras as well. This lighter does show some scuffs, scratches, dings. This is a brush chrome Zippo lighter, full size, in fairly good shape. Not a lot of dings or dents or scratches around the outside. There are some minor imperfections. Most of the scratches are on the face and the back of the lighter, and there are some considerable scratches, but it's going to get scratches when you use it anyway. So this particular bundle will give you the full-size Zippo lighter that you can use to light up whatever it is that you smoke. This will also give you the hat or lapel pin, and then the really nice ashtray. So if you smoke Lucky Strikes, then this definitely could be for you. Maybe you just admire the old advertising brands. Maybe you smoke Camel. Or maybe you're just a Zippo fan and you smoke something altogether different. That's alright too, because that ashtray will hold ashes from things other than smoking tobacco. The rest may be a little small for your typical cigar ashtray, but it would certainly hold other kinds of cigarettes just fine and look pretty stylish while it was doing so. I think it's pretty cool because so many of these kind of products are made in Asia, China, Taiwan, like we saw with the hat pin. But for this one to be made in France, that seems like it might be a little more well made than what you would expect coming out of China or some of the other Asian countries. There is a spot on the bottom. I don't know if that's just where the glazing was a little thin. They weren't necessarily worried about the bottom. There is a numeral 22 mark there as well. It would probably be really nice to add a felt pad to the bottom of that, but that's for the person who buys this auction to decide what they want to do with it. It's going to start at a penny. I'm going to pick up the shipping and pay for that myself. Whatever the final winning bid is going to go 100% to Huntington's Disease Society of America, a charity organization that works to improve the lives of those who are infected by that disease, as well as those, their family members and others, people who may not necessarily be affected by it, but have a loved one who is affected by it, which I can tell you from personal experience that it's a bear of a disease. It's a terrible disease that steals the dignity of the person who is afflicted by it. And it was a long, painful road. That's one of the reasons that I now donate 10% of every single thing that we sell here at DependableFlame.com, and then have these penny start 100% to charity auctions. Give you guys the ability to help a little bit and get something in return at the same time, and gives me the opportunity to spread the word about the disease and bring awareness and hopefully a little bit of help to those who are afflicted by such a terrible disease. Until next time.